All right, well, got my Cabela's package in. I almost forget what I ordered, but oh yeah, ordered my hammer and crow call. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like looks pretty good. I've never used one of these before. I'm using it for trying to do some to bring in some turkeys. But I'm gonna take it outside and see what we can do with it. Now I ordered this crow call because I saw it used on Dawson Walker's YouTube channel. It sounded pretty good. After my experience with the owl call, I was a little skeptical of any kind of calls like this, but I figured I'd give it a try. So I found a couple of videos that actually show some techniques for basic crow calling. It's actually not that complicated. I went out in the woods, not really the woods, not too far, not that far from my house, and you know, I practiced a little bit. You know, I'm sure I'm gonna need some more practice, but I'll show you what I kind of discovered. So you just kind of blow into it and use a combination of short and long calls, like it's the short and you can kind of combine them, like I don't know how accurate that is, but that's what I got for now. And then the other thing that I learned is there's the kind of the crow growl. It's, you know, you can kind of hear it. If you hear if you go on YouTube and hear a crow call calling a real crow, you'll kind of hear it. But it's kind of have to roll your the back of your throat like you're gargling, kind of like that. Kind of like that. So you can kind of do those two kind of things. I'm going to try to practice a little bit more. But it's really just to locate the turkeys and just find out kind of where they are before you actually get to where they are. So I might actually just go out to a spot where I know we've seen turkeys recently, and see if I can get them to gobble a little bit, see if I can get a better idea of where I'm going to want to go hunting in a couple weeks. All right. I could shoot them, but there are a couple of female turkeys. It's got to be a couple 200-300 yards away. I wonder if there's any males around here. It's possible. So here's a possible spot I could sit. Actually, this isn't bad. I could just hide right here on this ledge here. In this brush. I don't think I would be seen. So here's one possible spot I could consider. Female turkeys. You never know. If there's females, there's probably males. forget it.